Hi viewers, today we're going to look at the Excel VBA tangent formula, which is a math and trigonometry formula in Excel 2013. First of all, I'm going to record my macro where I'm going to put my code into. I'm going to call it tangent underscore fx for function. Click on OK, click on stop, and then I'm going to go and view my macro in the view tab of Excel and click on my macro name and click on edit. These bits in green with the apostrophes are comments. I'm going to get rid of those and paste in my code. So I'm going to get rid of my duplicate and sub statements there because I wrote it earlier on. And I'm going to use error handling. So for every line of code I write in Excel VBA, I use the on error resume next directly above that line of code. You can see here I start off my code with MSGBOX, which is a message box, and within the brackets of that message box I've got the tan formula, which is the Excel VBA tangent formula, maths and trig formula, and the value to be interpreted as a tangent is minus 8.32. So I'm going to click on play here, which is a run function, or which you can use to test your code in the VBA editor, or you can press function F5, and you can see it's giving me a tangent equivalent of 1.98. So for the value of minus 8.32. You can also run this in Excel by going to the View tab, clicking on the macros button, selecting the macro name you want to run, in this case a tangent function, clicking on run, and it displays the tangent equivalent of that minus 8 point to the decimal place of 1.98 equivalent. So basically the tangent equivalent of minus 8.32 is 0.198. That's it.